Hello, this is Chris Allen with Shane Smith Law. Today I'd like to briefly discuss what a lot of people have, most of their lives, have heard. They're called the Miranda rights, or your right to remain silent. Now, what would trigger these rights? Now, most people may not know this. What would trigger a Miranda right, or your right to remain silent? Anytime that a person is being interrogated and in custody. Both of those things have to be present. Now, what does that mean? Interrogated simply means that if the officer is asking you questions that he should know or does know would elicit an incriminating response. In custody simply means when a person feels that they're not free to leave. Now, there are some exceptions to this. One rule is called the station house rule. In other words, you can be pulled over on a traffic stop. Certainly you feel that you're not free to leave, but that's not technically, through the years the courts have found, ruled to be in custody. Now, if you're outside your car, say to the back of it, and the police are asking you questions there, that's certainly more along the lines of in custody or what they call station house rules. So remember, if you're in custody and you feel you're not free to leave, and you're being interrogated or asked questions that could elicit a response, certainly your Miranda rights are triggered. In other words, you have the right to remain silent. At that point, they have to let you know your Miranda rights. You have the right to an attorney. If you can't afford an attorney, one will be appointed for you. And certainly anything that you say can and most certainly will be used against you in a court of law. Now, if you need help with this, please feel free to reach out to us at 980-999-9999. In pain, call Shane.
In pain, so I call Shane. 980-999-9999. In pain, call Shane.